Welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another video testing, another unboxing. So I have here the HiCappa 2011 T-Rex. This is with full automatic, so semi and full automatic. So this is airsoft gas blowback. By the way, shout out kay Sir John Harley. Okay, so it comes with the number 14 power up green gas. This is the propellant. And also comes with the 0.23 grams 4,000 shots. Ito naman po yung kanyang bala. Yan, plastic BBs. Okay, then may free na siyang silicone oil. So this is the box, WE. Ang WE po ay made in Taiwan. And meron siyang full automatic, semi and full automatic. This is silver slide black frame. Buksan na natin. Comes with the owner's manual. Magazine niya ay 30 rounder capacity. Ito po yung kanyang backplate. And this is the unit. Yan, 2011 HiCappa T-Rex. This is 5.1 inches barrel. Naka-magwell na siya. Fiber optic sight, front and rear. With serrations, front and rear na rin. Ayan, ito yung kanyang switch para sa full auto. So pag full auto, baba lang yung switch. Pag semi-auto, angat lang yung switch. And ito naman sa kabila, ito po yung kanyang manual safety. So, kailangan mo siyang ikasa para ma-activate mo yung safety. Then, baba, ayan yung safety off. Ayan. And then, the other safety features niya, itong beaver tail. So, kahit na naka-safety off siya, pag kinalabit ko siya, hindi rin siya pumuputok kasi yung beaver tail, hindi naman siya engage. So, kailangan diinan mo muna siya bago siya pumutok. Okay? Pwede siyang lagyan ng accessories katulad ng flashlight or laser lights. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng tracer units, suppressor, silencer kasi may thread po yan. Okay. Testing natin. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS pa ito. Okay, so ang gamit po natin ay number 14, power up. Mas malakas po siya kaysa dun sa number 12, yung standard power. 2 to 3 seconds lang po. Okay, testing. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS po ito. Okay, firing, semi-automatic. .368.0. Lakas na. 368.0. Using the number 14. 363.4. 358.8. Lakas. Okay, then open slide na siya. Just release the magazine first. Tapos alalay lang sa slide para hindi mapudpud yung notch. Ang gawin nyo po, tulak nyo lang siya ng konti, baba yung slide stop, then release. Kasi pag ganito palagi, pag hindi nyo po alalayan, katagal mapupudpud yan. Itong notch na yan. Kasi may friction po magkikiskisan yan. So, habang bago pa, maalagaan po natin. Okay? So, testing pa tayo. Testing din po natin yung full automatic, semi and full automatic. Okay, nag-load lang ako ng bala ulit. Testing. Okay, testing. Semi-automatic muna. Firing. Okay, this is semi-automatic. And then full automatic, baba mo lang switch. Rapid firing. Firing! Yan. Okay, open slide, release the mag. Alalay sa slide. Hammer down. Okay, so again, this is the T-Rex, High Kappa T-Rex Airsoft. This is Airsoft po, not airgun. Airsoft pistol, gas blowback pistol. Okay, the 2011 High Kappa Airsoft pistol, semi and full automatic by WA. Thank you and have a nice day.